Hi, this is Vizzy Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable background apps on Windows 11. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Windows 11 is the latest product from Microsoft offering consumer of computers better experience as it has a smooth and up-to-date design. An example of such a feature background running apps, although this feature might prove to be helpful in many cases, it also affects battery usage and the system resource. So there will be a need to disable background apps on Windows 11. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. It's very simple. So first, you can just click right on the Start menu on your PC or laptop on Windows 11. You can click right and you can select on Task Manager. So from here on Task Manager, you can just choose on the apps that you want to uh, stop, you want to disable. Maybe for the example, I will try to disable this. You can just click right on the app and you'll find there is an option and text. You can just select on that. So now you have the apps that running on your background on PC or your laptop on Windows 11. Here's for the background process, and here's maybe you want to and on the apps. It's very simple, right? You can just choose on the apps, you can click right, and you can just select on and tag. It's very simple, right? So that is how to how to disable background apps on Windows 11. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.